right, Nelson Clarke here at BTO Open. At BTO Open, Novice Plus class, super fun, super energetic. We started with some basic patterns. We did a push break. We followed that with a left side pass and a right side pass just to get moving. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And then our final. And then from here, I'm going to go over our leaders option first. From the left side pass, I'm going to step, instead of stepping directly back, I am going to step slightly off the slot on 1 so that I can get out of my follower's way. For 1, I'm then going to cross over on 2. From here, with this rotation, I don't release this connection. I'm going to rotate on the heel of my right foot and the ball of my left foot as I collect and allow my follower to trace my body for 3 and 4, and then anchor away for 5 and 6. Okay? As again, reverse side, 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6. All right, then from there we did a follower styling, changing of direction from right side pass for 1, 2, connecting in for a press for 3, reversing that on 4, walking it out for 5 and 6, or 5, 6, okay? Again, the follower is changing it, so it's up to the follower to then bring me back for the 6. For 1, 2, the follower changes, 3, 4, I pay attention as a leader for 5, 6. Okay, so all the way through those, we did push breaks in between them for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 with the leader. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Push break in between. 3 and 4, 5, and 6. And then the follower for 1, 2, break, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa,